Hello friends, till now we have fully learned about the first three realms of spirit world. In this part we will learn about the fourth realm in details. Fourth realm is very important realm for all souls. Many people may feel that soul begins its journey from first realm, but it's not. The soul starts its journey from the fourth realm. Its soul begins its journey from fourth realm. When the soul starts here, then that soul have to move a good path or to get into the hallucination of life. All these things will be determined it's on their karmas. In this way that soul develop itself or its downfall. If we talk about the fourth realm, then there is sunlight and there is also darkness. Here is very good atmosphere compared to first three realms. The spirit lives here with love and each other, but sometimes there is a feeling of jealousy and hatred of each other. We can also compare the fourth realm with the earth. Some people on earth talk each other very good way, but sometimes they have a bad feeling for the others. This is something similar, but it is very good compared to the first three realms. Great guides for those souls here. Angel spirit also give them knowledge of things. The spirit here move in a very good environment. Many times it takes its good development to a very good level. The spirits here have been seen helping each other out of selfless too many times. If seen, this realm is very good compared to the first three realms. It is here that the soul begins and it sets the pace ahead of. In this way, what this realm is very important for the souls. This is such a stage where the soul can be helped to move forward by considering itself, and every soul has to think this way and try to move forward by doing good work in their life. In the fourth realm, such a soul is seen that one who can unable to identify right and wrong something on earth. It can live very well in the spirit world, but when comes to earth, sometimes it cannot control itself. Because of this, they have to work very hard in earth. In the fourth realm, soul live with the community. Their love for their community, it's true. They are born mostly on earth along with the spirit of its community. This is community is very important for them. Every soul of community seems to be making a lot of efforts for the development of every soul. This is a very good part of this realm. So friends, in this part we have saw how the fourth realm and how the spirits are here. In the next video we will talk about the fifth realm. If say about the fifth realm, it is the beginning of heaven. We will see that in next video. Stay connected with this channel. Thank you so much.